In a statement released yesterday afternoon, the PEC stated that it had taken a decision to dissolve the Regional Executive Committee of Nelson Mandela Bay and establish a regional task team that will coordinate the work of the organization and take the region to its regional conference post the 2019 general elections. The PwC report revealed that the region for 3 consecutive branch audits has not been able to meet the 70% threshold of branches in good standing. It is also said that the region was unable to convene a duly constituted RGC, that is Regional General Council, in order to fill the vacant position of the regional chairperson due to its failure to meet the 70% threshold of branches. A considerable amount of support has been given to the Nelson Mandela Regional Executive Committee, but it has not yielded any result, and the situation in the region is not getting better. In our view, as an REC, is not short of delusion and is an outright delinquent assessment of the realities that are confronting the Nelson Mandela Bay region. The problems of this region cannot be attributed to the leadership collective that was elected in 2017. He has been consistently sidelining and victimizing the leadership of the Nelson Mandela Bay region, and we are certain that this attitude emanates from our differences in leadership preference at the last provincial which elected them. They are now using their authority as a PEC to persecute all comrades and structures that dare to differ with their election at the East London ICC conference.